What's going on, sales leaders? Dominic Caminata here, CEO of Grosso University, the industry-leading sales training group. When I was a sales leader full-time, coaching 55 representatives, I would go on hundreds of ride-alongs in the field with my reps to make sure I had some level of visibility as to how my team was executing the sales process. I ended up spending most of my time having my salespeople try to recall what they think happened on the lead, and then I would try my best to coach them with this distorted information. But I'm happy to announce that this is now a thing of the past. Grosso University is thrilled to endorse Siro as the premier in-person AI-powered sales recording app that can put sales leaders inside every single home on every lead every single day. Managers implementing this technology do not experience adoption issues or pushback from reps in regards to recording their conversations. In addition, with the efficiency of Siro, sales leaders can now cut down significantly on ride-along activity, dramatically improving their bandwidth, performance, and effectiveness as a sales coach. Instead of guessing what's happening in the field, managers now know exactly where each rep can improve their game. Whether it be sales process, objection handling, timeline in the home, or fine-tuning the salesperson's communication skills, Siro can help enhance every single component. From the moment the sales rep shows up to the home, to the point where they're buttoning up the sale and everything in between, Siro allows sales coaches to accurately track all steps of the sales process. Whether it be handling objections, nailing the script, or mastering the closing sequence, Siro has the ability to match these moments in a sales encounter automatically in an answer key, allowing reps and managers to jump to these precise moments instantaneously. Siro gives reps the opportunity to get live assistance from their management team in a matter of seconds, getting them the vital support they need in the field every single step of the way. If you are looking to thrive in the coming years, visit www.siro.ai to schedule a free demo of their revolutionary technology and join the future of advanced sales leadership.